weird. Just weird. You can smell something in the air. Still pretty, but here I go. I want to be Mr. Likes to go fishing. Shit. Not a tick get on me, damn it. Pray for me. Not near another. And it freaking rained. Let's see. Do the back man panorama. See anything? Okay. Y'all can't tell, but I have the duck. Fancy footwork, fancy footwork. Another motherfucking spider web. Great day. Shit. Down little bottom. Check legs for ticks. Well, let's see if there's anything out there. That's gonna be the beginning of it. We're gonna work our way down there. This little backpack, little toolbox. I do got 4 poles. Why do I have so many poles? 2 finesse, 2 bait casters. We're gonna see what we can get done down here today. If I can catch me something. You know what I'm saying? So, set my little kit up like this. Figure out what I want to start with. It's kind of early. I kind of want to do some top water action. But I don't know if conditions are good for that. I got new baits. The water was up here, so we're gonna see what happens. Hopefully something bites, and I ain't out here just, looking crazy. Whew. That was a hike. There's ducks. See the ducks, the quackers. A mallard and his chick.